Whether you are upgrading your range hood or renovating your kitchen, this AKDY wall mount range hood provides all that you need in appearances and functions. Built from high-quality stainless steel with unique design, the range hood presents a modern and sleek look. The curved canopy will capture steam and smoke. Touch controls make operations simple and stylish, giving you easy access to the LED lights and a choice between 3 different fan speeds. The built-in 7-watt LED light bar provides a cool, bright light for your cooking area. With our push-to-open latch, the decoration cover can be easily opened, and then you can find the aluminum grease filter is under the cover. The filter effectively traps oils and other cooking pollutants. It can be easily removed and is dishwasher safe for a no-hassle clean.
It effectively removes steam, fumes, and grease from your cooking area with a powerful blower and aluminum grease filter.
Thank you for watching. AKDY, let your home do more.